So this is my finished look. I'm just gonna show you all the products that I used for this pink holiday look. So I used this 9021 Snow Eye and Cheek palette. I used Winter La La Land for my cheek. And then I also used Starboy and Vacay Vibes for my eyes. So you can see that it's like super pink, purpley. I really loved how it came out. I also used a Rodeo lights under my eye over here. So it kind of brightened my eye. So that's what I used for my eyes. And this over here so you can have a closer look on the highlighter. And then I also used the 9021 Glow Back to School collection. I used the bronzer out of here, the Beachside Bronze. I love this bronzer, you guys. It's one of my faves. And then these are my top 3 favorite brushes. So I used this one for my highlight. This is 2F, love. So these are the 2 eyeshadow brushes that I use, 1E and 2E. This is more for like blending everything out, and this is for more applying. Like I applied the sparkly shadow over here in the inner corner with this brush. Loved them, they're so amazing. And then last but definitely not least, I loved this lip gloss that I used. It's Gia Pink and it's so adorable. This is like my favorite color ever, just because of this lip gloss. It like changed my mind. So I love this. So these are all the products that I used, and that's pretty much it.